Hey everyone! Welcome back to Navya's world. Today, we're shining a spotlight on one of the most dazzling and misunderstood birds out there, the European starling. With their glossy, iridescent feathers, starlings might just be one of the most beautiful birds in your backyard. Depending on the light, their plumage can appear green, purple, or even blue, making them a real spectacle to watch. But it's not just about looks. These birds are also master performers. Have you ever seen a murmuration? Thousands of starlings moving in perfect harmony across the sky. An absolutely breathtaking sight. And get this, they're also amazing mimics, capable of imitating the calls of other birds, and even everyday sounds like car alarms. Despite being so common, starlings play a vital role in our ecosystem. They control insect populations and help spread seeds, contributing to the health of various habitats. So next time you see a starling, take a moment to appreciate this remarkable bird. If you enjoyed learning about starlings, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Master Navya, and hit that notification bell for more amazing nature content.